good morning, good morning. I'm having hot chocolate. Well, it's basically done now. But today, welcome to the video. Today is gonna be a vlog. So we're actually going away for our anniversary, second year anniversary. Whoop whoop. It was actually on Wednesday, the 11th, and today is the 13th, Friday. Friday the 13th. I did not even recognize that. Who, Father Jesus, just cover us. Thanks. Amen. So today's Friday. I'm going away for the weekend, and I'm just going to take you guys through what I usually do to kind of prepare to leave for a trip, even though we're not really going far. It's like 2 hours from our home, but yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through that, and Alright guys, so the first thing that I love to ensure that I do before I go away on a trip is clean. Yes. It just really adds to, the whole relaxation process of a vacation. When you come home and your house is spotless, it smells amazing. So I like to make sure that I do a very thorough deep clean of my home before I go away for any trip. So the next thing that I like to do is to water my plants. Now I won't be gone for too long, but I want to make sure that my plants are watered and taken care of while I'm gone. Alright guys, so the house is clean. The next thing on my list to do is to go grocery shopping. I have, it's 11:06. We're leaving here at like 1:30. Okay, so I have some time. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. No, come on, bed. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a sweatshirt and let's go get groceries. Hey guys, I'm on my way to the grocery store now. I just dropped off Hubs at the gym. I don't think I'm gonna make this light, so I'm gonna have to make a turn here. So yeah, so usually we usually get our groceries on Fridays, and because I don't want to have to go to the grocery store when I get back home on Sunday, I'm gonna just keep our routine and go to the grocery store today. Also, we're going to our Airbnb, so I have to pick up like extra stuff anyway for us to take to the Airbnb so that we can have food for some of the days. So yeah. Oh, this old man is so cute. You go, grandpa, you go. The grocery store kind of full still. Like, them people here don't work. Why the grocery store parking lots are full? Only for day I work today, Friday. Oh man. Alright guys, I'll see you when I see you. When I say So you guys know it is not a vacation if you are worrying about work that you should have done or could have done before you left. So another thing that I like to do is I like to go through every single thing that I have to get done before I get back or while I'm gone, and I like to schedule them. So whether that's emails, checking in with my clients, just going through my to-do list to make sure that everything's done, because we want to fully relax on our vacation. Okay. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Those are all the things that I do to prepare for my vacation and to make sure that I fully relax while I'm gone, but to also make sure that all housekeeping matters, no pun intended, is taken care of. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and let me know in the comments actually, what is your one thing that you have to get done before you leave for vacation? All right guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.